sir? Sorry, madam.
Polycarp.
Yes.
Please, tell the children that their father left pretty early. Yeah. I don't want them to worry. Yeah.
There were a factory caught fire last night.
Chineke, I hope nobody died.
Thankfully, not yet. But the foreman said some people were severely burnt while they were trying to put out the fire. In fact, they are in intensive care right now.
Hey, whoa, Jehovah, chukumelu mebele.
What's going on?
What do you mean?
Where is Dad? Why didn't he come home last night?
Didn't Polycarp tell you?
Dad has never left this house without saying hello to me. Why are you lying?
My dad did not come back home last night.
That's not true. He traveled.
He did. Then how come he did not tell us?
Because they are such you can talk too much.
My dad always comes back home.
No word yet from Master?
I'm sure he'll walk through the door any minute from now. All right? Polycarp, I don't need the food. I'm going to the gym. All right?
Mom, where is my daddy? Doesn't he love us anymore?
Of course he does. He just has to deal with a few things right now, okay?
So he has called you. You always tell us to call home if something unexpected happened. So why hasn't Daddy called?
We have some things to deal with, okay?
Is it us? Did you do anything wrong?
Oh, sweetheart. Come here. Come. Why in the world would you think that?
He no longer spends time with us. He's been coming home later and later. Last night he was supposed to take us out and he didn't come home. And he hasn't called. Dad will never do such a thing unless he was totally annoyed with us.
Of course not.
Doesn't he love us anymore?
Both of you, listen to me. Your dad loves you very, very much. He just has a few things that he's dealing with.
Then where is he?
Sweetie, that has nothing to do with you guys. Neither does it have anything to do with what you've done or not done, okay?
I want my daddy. That's what I want.
No crying. Come sit with Mama. Come here.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
has Jesus taken Daddy's spirit?
What do you mean by that, sweetheart?
Hannah said that his father's house got burnt and Jesus took many of them to heaven. Do you think that's what happened to Daddy? Is Daddy dead?
Of course not, darling. Your dad is not dead.
How do you know, Mom?
I know. Look, your daddy just has a few things that he's dealing with right now, okay?
And is he in trouble?
Your dad is a big, strong man with big muscles. Don't you think if he was in trouble, he'd be able to handle it?
Oh, yeah.
Look, once Daddy sorts out the few things that are worrying him, he'll come back home.
Because he loves us.
Yes, because we are a family, okay? So, young man, why don't you go over there and eat your food? Not hungry? Okay, stay with me while I eat. Okay. There. Ooh, help me with that. Sit down while I eat. Jollof rice. I love jollof rice. Very nice. Let's try it. Ooh, isn't that nice? Ooh, do you want another one? Coming.
This one is another color. This one's the latest shower, because I know that
Yeah, we actually have nice fabrics here.
a lot of women wear
We have
this one.
beautiful fabrics, so it's nice. Because it's not really what I want. This is okay, but not really what I have in mind.
Okay, try this one. Try this one. This is a different color, and I think this is the in thing
You actually
now.
have beautiful material.
A lot of
It's a particular kind of, material I'm actually looking
Eh.
for. It's okay, but this is a
Let me show
particular.
you this one. Let me show you this one. This one first is my favorite.
Oh, this is actually beautiful. It's really,
It
really
is.
beautiful. It's beautiful, though. There's a color I'm actually trying to.
Okay,
What
what
have
kind
in
of?
mind I'm trying to put together,
What exactly?
Let me see this one. This one on the floor.
Which one? This one.
No, the one under it.
This one.
This one. That one.
Okay. Ah. Yes. This is sweet. Yes. That's one of the latest designs too.
This is sweet. It's beautiful.
The combination is very nice.
Can I have much of this?
Yeah. How many bundles are we talking about?
The same thing, 10 bundles will do.
10.
Yes, the bride's friends would love it so much.
When's the wedding again?
Third week of next month.
That's no problem. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'll give you everything that I have here now.
Okay.
And then I'll balance it up when I come back. First week of next month.
Oh, that would be good.
Would you also, well, I have it in lilac and I have it in pink. Are you sure you don't want to mix it?
No. I love this one. This is just exactly what I want. And in Ashebi, the beauty of it is when everybody comes out in the same color.
It's true, Sha. It's true.
This is really okay.
Um,
This is beautiful.
I think this should go very nicely with it. Look at this combination. Would you be wanting head ties to go with it? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it is.
Very well.
But no, really, we've actually gotten Elizabeth Henshaw to make headdresses for us.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the in thing in town now.
Really? Oh, are they nice?
Oh, you need to see them. They are exquisite. And they come in customized form too.
Ah.
Yes.
I should check them out. So sounds like they're right up my street.
You should. But don't worry, I'll give you an address before I leave.
Oh, thank you.
I
I
will.
would appreciate that.
So customer, how much is this going to cost?
This one I can give it for 3,500 more than the blue black.
Customer, do you want to kill me?
I'm not charging you. Even in Okeari and Gotthard, it's twice the price. The only reason mine is so cheap is because mine is a mobile shed. Honestly, I can't charge you anyhow.
Customer. You have to do something. No. No. You have to do something. I'm buying so much now. Look at the quantity I'm buying. Do something, please. Jojo. Do something. It's too much.
Okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. I will take 1,500 off each bundle. And that is because you're paying cash. Anything more than that is going to be selling at a loss for me.
Customer.
It is one payment. Honestly, I can't cheat you now.
Oh, come on, you can do better now. You can do better.
Look, I think I should show you my price book. I'm telling you, I'm giving you the best price. Where did I put this book? I put it here. Ebube! Yes, mommy. Please come. Sweetheart, please, you know that my book that I always keep the prices of my...
Yes, ma'am.
Let me bring it.
Okay, mommy, where is it?
Just check upstairs my room. Just check anywhere, any of the corners there. I'm sure you'll find it.
Here we go again. How could I be looking for something and you don't know where it is?
Sure, my dear. You know, sweetheart, you know you always know how you find these things. My hero.
Customer. You and your numerous customers.
Oh, leave me,
No,
dog.
what? Eh? No. You have to round this one up. I have to get to the market. I still have something to check at the market. So please, customer, do something about this price now. Is that the last price you give me?
Honestly, I can't do anything. I cannot reduce it more than that because it will not pay me at all. I wish I had this book. Where did I put this book? So that I will even show you.
Okay. Don't trouble yourself. I will take them. In fact, I'll take everything you have now. I'll write you a check for them. But when am I going to get the remaining ones?
First week next month.
Okay, that is even better. That gives us much more time to take the clothes to the tailors. So, let me write you a check on these ones. Okay, so let me write you the check. Okay. There we go.
That's TOTTI.
Yes, I have that.
Please, help me open the check so that I can find it easy.
Okay, you don't have a problem.
Cash over the counter.
You don't have a problem. Here we are. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So.
As well. So, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure doing business.
Same here. Don't forget to call me.
Okay.
Immediately you come back from your trip. I should be leaving now.
Okay.
Now I'm going to the market. So I'll send my driver to come and pick these up.
All
Eh?
right.
So that's
No problem. I'll have them ready and package. Please do that.
Please do that.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
And you too. Bye.
Bye.
Call me.
I will. I made a sale. Man, business is good. Where did I put this book? Just now the thing was. Hey, big boy, have you found it? He's probably not even looking for it. Okay. Maybe if I put it, dear. He will tell me where I put this thing. And I can tell him also about my. Where did I put this check now? I'm also going to use this one. Hey, babe. What is going on? First he tries to call me, and now it says the phone is switched off. What is going on? I can't reach Ambrose either. Chineke, what am I going to do now? That's how you go and do and baby on the bed now. Kanayo? Get up, let's go and wait. If you wee on my bed, I will spank you. Get up. Oh, yeah. I have never seen anybody conk out like this boy. Even if there was an earthquake, he will not budge. Hey, Kanayo, get up. Oh, yeah, let's go. Get up. Kanayo. Oh, yeah. Wake up. Oh, yeah, toilet. Come on, guys. Eat up, or we'll soon be late for school. Come on, Didi.
I'm not hungry.
Sam?
Mom,
Yes.
do you think Daddy is going to come back home today?
I honestly don't know.
So why aren't you out there looking for him?
I am looking for him.
Did you check the hospital, police station?
No,
Why not?
because your father hasn't done anything to land him in the police station.
Mom, did you and Dad have a quarrel?
Of course not. Why would you think that?
Dad is missing and you're not doing anything about it.
I am doing something about it.
What?
Trust me.
Dad could be lying dead in a ditch for all you know.
Your father is not dead.
How would you know?
I'm his wife. I would know. And don't you ever raise your voice at your mother again. Is that clear? Didi, is that clear?
Yes.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
are you and Daddy getting a divorce?
Of course not. Why in the world would you think that?
When Jenny's father did not come back home last year, her parents got a divorce.
Who's Jenny?
My friend is in school.
I remember. Come. Didi. Now listen to me carefully. I want my husband back also. Hmm? And I know that wherever your dad is, he loves us and he's missing us. And when he gets back home, he will answer all our questions. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Okay. Come on, guys. Go and get your stuff. Or else we will be late for school. Hmm? This is getting out of hand. What could be happening already that people are not answering their phones? See why should not kill me, oh. Hello, Obiamaka. It's me, Nene. No, the kids are fine. Listen, could you come over right away? Okay, well, how soon can you make it? 4 o'clock is fine. 4 o'clock is fine. Okay, I'll see you there. No one is ill. Just come over and then we'll talk about it, okay? Okay, see you then. Hello? I'm sorry, sir. I thought it was... Okay. Right away, sir.